Due to the pandemic, people started to find ways on how to keep themselves busy while doing something fun without going outside their homes. Some chose to engage themselves with various social media activities like TikTok challenges, duets, dances, and the like. Some decided to learn a new skill such as cooking, playing an instrument, painting, and many more. But among all these, the one that dominated our news feeds the most was indoor planting. If you follow the social media influencer Bretman Rock, you will often see pictures and videos of him flexing his glamorous indoor garden, filled with different plants that are just relaxing to the eyes. In today's video, we're going to talk about how indoor plants help us, not only in killing boredom, but also in terms of health, with benefits of indoor plants. Houseplants for beginners. Hi there! Looking for something fun and healthy? Come and be in your best shape with us. Welcome to Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, where we go on our fitness journey one step at a time. I am Mrs. Blue, here to deliver another fun-filled episode with lots of useful information. If you're interested in indoor planting, but don't know much about it, this video is perfect for you because aside from benefits, I will also be mentioning beginner tips on what plant to choose for low maintenance and how to take care of them in the most efficient way. Before we begin, if you are new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell beside it to receive daily updates on how to lose weight and stay healthy. So if you're ready, let's get started. Number 1. Reduced pollution. As someone who lives in the city, I know how polluted surroundings get, from smoke-inducing cars to factories. These affect the air we breathe and soon wreak havoc on our skin, hair, and lungs. However, pollution doesn't only happen outside. You might not notice it until now, but pollutants are also present inside our homes and offices. How? Due to synthetic building materials, wall paints, rubber, laminates, computer parts, vinyl, and plastics that contribute to the release of harmful compounds into the air we inhale. Energy-efficient construction is also one of the main reasons why chemicals in the air get trapped inside the vicinity, because of poor air circulation brought about by airtight spaces. This leads to the emission of toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, and toluene. Luckily, plants have the ability to absorb these dangerous toxins by breaking them down into gentle byproducts that is stored in their soil for food later on. Amazing how plants are able to save us from inhaling unfriendly invisible chemicals in the air. Number 2. Gives you sharper focus. If you're trying to keep your focus while doing a task like reviewing for an exam or finishing a report for work, you could definitely use a plant beside your study table. Studies have shown that students who have 3 potted plants perform better in math, spelling, reading, and science exams compared to students who don't. For improved focus, plants like the golden pothos or the bamboo palm could be a great help in acing your tests and accomplishing your to-do list for a day without any distractions. Place these plants near your work area for improved concentration and productivity. Go get those tasks! Enjoying this video so far? Go ahead and give this video a like and share it with your friends who are also planning to have indoor plants at home. Number 3. Helps in stress relief and improved mental and emotional health. Taking care of a plant may contribute to improved attention as well as the reduction of anxiety levels and depression. Therapists advise gardening to some of their patients to help them cope with mental struggles including depression, schizophrenia, and other psychiatric conditions. People who struggle with trauma and dementia will also benefit from indoor plants, because it will help them relax and stay calm with the plant's calming features. When you think about it, people around plants appear healthier. Have you ever noticed how old people with gardens look blooming and fresh? They're shining with joy and peace while taking care of their beloved plants. It's like magic, don't you think? Number 4. Brings you back to nature. Back then, I used to live in my grandmother's house within a huge forest. And whenever I feel stressed out, I would always find myself walking amongst the trees to get some fresh air. Sounds melodramatic, but it really helped me release negativity as I inhaled pure and unpolluted air. Sadly, we needed to move to the city, where it was way too crowded compared to my previous home. And of course, that was quite a bummer. I had nowhere to go to get fresh air because parks were pretty crowded too, and surrounded by cars and buildings, clearly very different from the forest. So I thought to myself, how am I going to be in touch with nature while living in the city? And this was where indoor plants came to mind. Why not bring nature inside our homes through indoor plants, right? Studies have shown that a touch of nature will reduce mental fatigue and stress while increasing relaxation and self-esteem on the side, resulting to less sick days and improved performance. Yeah, you can't have an entire forest inside your house, but a small part could be a huge help in coping. Just the image of it makes me so relaxed. Number 5. Moisturizes your skin. Using plants to add moisture to your skin is better than having furnaces and air conditioners that could not only contribute to your risk of catching the cold or a flu, but also makes your skin irritated and itchy. A study has shown that a collection of spider plants boosted the 20% relative humidity in a bedroom to 30%, which is evidently more comfortable by just looking at the numbers. So, if you're someone who suffers from dry and sensitive skin like Mrs. Blue, consider getting spider plants for your bedroom for improved skin condition. I always find dry skin hard to handle, but with plants, I'm sure your problems will be gone in no time. Number 6. Contribute to faster recovery and better sleep. We all know what photosynthesis is, right? It's a process where plants absorb carbon dioxide and turn it to oxygen, which we humans inhale. Some plants are unable to give off enough oxygen at night, where sunlight is nowhere to be found. But plants like the Gerbera daisies give sufficient amounts of oxygen even after the sun goes down. Try to place some of these in your bedroom to help you get a good night's sleep. Have you ever wondered why people give plants to sick people in hospitals? Why do hospital rooms have pots of plants in them? It's mainly because it helps patients to recover fast. This claim was supported by a research study that found out that patients who underwent surgeries had faster recoveries when surrounded by plants or even just a mere view of nature. Now we're done with the health benefits. Let's proceed to beginner-friendly plants that are also known to be the best natural air purifiers. Here are the indoor plants you must keep an eye on. Snake plant, pothos, ZZ plant, rubber plant, philodendron, bird's nest fern, jade plant, and ivy. What plant are you planning to get? The ivy, jade, or snake plant? Let me know in the comments below. Interested in growing your own organic farm at home? Check out our video, Organic Farming. How to grow leafy greens in your balcony garden. Tips and tricks. Feel free to visit and follow our Facebook page and Instagram account, Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, where we share motivational quotes to help people go through their fitness journey with a positive mindset. That is all for today. Again, I am Mrs. Blue. Don't forget, walk on your fitness journey one step at a time. Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, your health gurus, will see you in the next one. Bye!